Be ready with the book, page number 149, students. Okay. So in this chapter, what do you think? What are we going to learn? The chapter name is Fields and Fences. Who will tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter? Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, meter, centimeter.
We are going to learn meter, centimeter. Okay. Where we will apply this meter and centimeter, we are going to learn in the measurement of length. Then why we are learning here?
Number 161 or 162?
149.
140.
Dania, 149, 149. So what do you mean by the fields and what do you mean by the fences? What are fields?
Ma'am, it fields is that where the farmer grows crops or their seed.
The big area, the ground or the space where the farmer grows seeds and the cows and the goats go for grazing, right? These are the fields. Yes or no? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
And what
Yes,
are fences? What are fences?
Ma'am, to protect the field. Yes,
Fences
ma'am.
means
Fences means to protect the
outside
field.
border which we put to protect the fields. अगर
Ma'am,
हमने
it's
कहीं
a
पे
type
fences,
of wire.
yeah, it's a type of wire, but I want to put a wire on my fence. So for that, what I need to require? मुझे कितनी वायर लेकर आनी है, कितनी लगानी है?
Length of the wire.
We want to measure the
Length of the
just a
fields
minute.
first.
Network is coming and going. Network is coming and going. Just a minute.
First, we have to check the length of the fields and then we have to bring the roll of wire according to the length.
Now it is coming, students.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming.
So
Ma'am, can I
if
say?
we need to check the all the boundaries of the that field, then only the fences we will able to put the fences.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is called the finding the perimeter of that that is object or that area, or that, for example, if I want to put laces on, this is hanky in my hand. I want to put a lace on the borders. Okay. I want to put a lace on the borders. So how much lace I will take from the market? How will I know?
Ma'am, first you will measure the hanky, means
The
from
complete
the
hanky from the borders I will measure, no?
yes, from
Suppose
the
this is
borders
six.
you will measure them four
Yes.
sides.
4 sides, 6 centimeters. Is that it looking like a square in shape?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I will
Ma'am,
take
it
suppose
is.
this is 6
That means we
centimeter.
will multiply 6 multiplied by 4. Means
6
24.
multiplied by 4 also we can do, or we can add 6 4 times. 24 centimeter. So 24 centimeter length lace I require. Yes or no? Yes, 24 centimeter lace I require to cover this hanky, right? This is called to find the perimeter. Outside boundary जब हम निकालते हैं, that is called the perimeter. And that is why we are learning about that word fences. So you have heard the words area and perimeter before?
Ma'am, I have means of one time I was looking at one book, so in that only there was one chapter perimeter.
So
It
what
is
is area and what is perimeter? Perimeter is, today we will discuss about all about the perimeter, and then in the next classes we will discuss about the area. Okay. So perimeter is to find the outside boundary of an object is called the perimeter. This is a mobile in my hand. I want to cover this mobile, the out border only. So I want to know the perimeter of this mobile phone. Am I clear? Yes. Yes, Mania,
Means
you were
length
trying
of
to
the
ask.
phone.
Yeah, length and there are, this is in rectangular shape, so length and breadth I will need. All the four sides I need, है ना? Four sides के अगर मुझे एक ही border करना है, but that is not the perimeter. Perimeter is all the border, boundary is the perimeter. Finding the perimeter of that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So now I will show you one video. That video, along with that video, I will explain you also in between. I'm going to mute myself.
Rose plant, Futta. Look, it has grown so much. It was a tiny little plant before. Now it has lovely roses. Meenu, Meenu. Oh, who is calling me?
Meenu, look down. It's a chick.
Oh, little chick, how sweet. Did you call me?
Yes, Meenu. I called you. These are
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, the video has stopped.
that cat that comes here. We are
Ma'am, now we can. Now you are not stuck. We have paused the video.
very scared of the cat. When our mother goes out, the cat comes and chases us. We are not able to play at all.
Oh, that big fat cat. I have seen it also. It is very naughty. Meenu, can you help the chicks?
Network is not there.
Yes,
अच्छा, eco-
I can. Chick, come with me and show me the place where you play. I will fix a fence around that place. Then the cat will not be able to come inside.
That's really sweet, Meenu. Come with us. I will show you the place. Look, we play here. We run and catch, and also fly.
You play fly. Especially for the chicks.
Yes, we all try to fly. Whoever flies for a longer time without falling wins.
Futta, let's fix a fence for chicks. First, let me mark a boundary for the play area. Let me use this stick. Bound chick?
Yes, Meenu, this is fine. This place is enough for us to play.
Futta, now let's measure the boundary. Let me get the meter rope from home. Here it is, my meter rope. Now let me measure the boundary. It is 12 meters this side, 8 meters, 9 meters and 8 meters again.
Let me find out the length of the boundary, Meenu. It is 12 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is 37. So, the length of the boundary is 37 meters.
Oh, this is how you find the length of a boundary. You have to add the length of all the sides.
Yes, Chick, that's right. That's how we find out the length of any boundary. This house or any field or a playground or a table.
Chick, now I will go and get 4 strong sticks to put at the 4 corners of the boundary. Now we know that the length of the boundary is 37 meters. So I will go and get wires to fix in the boundary. Just wait here. I will come. I will go and look in our house. I think we have some wires at home.
Meenu, wait. I will also come with you. Let's look for the wires.
Here it is. Nice thick ones. Come, let's go and fix it for the chicks. Futta, hold this end. Let's fix it. It looks good now. The cat cannot trouble you anymore. You can play happily inside.
See, to take this much fences, she has taken the measurement of the length and the breadth, then was possible, no? If she was not aware how to take the length and the breadth, then it will be very difficult for her to find how much fence is required or how much the wire required. Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Play this video. It is very interesting and very good questions they will ask also from you all.
You, Meenu, you are really sweet. This is for you.
Thank you, Chick. Come with me. I will give you some greens to eat.
Meenu, this is very good. You have made a nice play place for the chicks. But look, the mango tree is also inside the play place. The chicks can get hurt if a mango falls.
Oh no! I didn't think of it, Grandma. I thought they could play running round and round the mango tree. Oh no! They can get hurt if a mango drops down.
Just pull the boundary inside, Meenu, and leave the mango tree outside of the playing place.
Okay, Grandma. Futta, will you please help me? This is fine now. Oh, the wire is falling short now. We have to get more wire from the house.
How, Meenu? Has the length of the boundary changed?
Yes, Chick. I will show you how. Futta, let's measure the length of this. These sides are the same. So, it is 12 plus 8 plus 9, which is 29. Now, let's measure this side. It is 2 plus
Suchi, stop your mic. See, they have cut. Now they want to check whether the same perimeter is coming or not.
two plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is 9. So, the length of the boundary is 29 plus 9, which is 38 meters. It was 37 meters before. So, it has increased by 1 meter. Let me get 1 more meter the wire from the house.
Meenu, wait. I will go get it. It's nicely fixed now. Chick, your play place is now safe also.
Thank you, Futta. Meenu, can you find out the length of all boundaries like this? Can you find out the length of the boundary of any field?
Yes, we can. I will show it to you. Let me draw the shape of Papa's field. It looks like this. This side is 29 meters long. This is 18 meters. This is 10 meters long. And this is 26.
Find the perimeter of this figure. Find the perimeter of this figure, students.
Ma'am, 73.
83. 83, ma'am. 83.
83. Yes.
Meters long.
Oh, Papa's field has a very funny shape. It's long here and small here.
Yes. Now, let me find out the length of the boundary of Papa's field. It is 29 plus 18 plus 10 plus 26, which is
83.
the length of the boundary of the field is
83.
meters.
Even Ramu uncle's field has a funny shape. It is very close to Papa's field. Ramu uncle's field is like this. this is 25 meters, this is 10 meters, this is 18 meters, and this is also 18 meters. And this side is 10 meters again.
Find the perimeter of the sphere.
81 meters.
81, ma'am. 81.
81, ma'am.
What are you doing? What are you doing for this to find the perimeter? What are you plus? What are you doing plus?
Ma'am, first 25, then 10 meters.
These are what? 18 meter, 10 meter. These are what? The outside boundary, the sides which you are adding. Yes. So outside boundary, when you are adding, you are finding the perimeter of the figure. Got it?
So the length of his boundary is 25 plus 10 plus 18 plus 18 plus 10, which is 81 meters. So the boundary of Ramu uncle's field is 81 meters long. This is called a chessboard. We use this to play chess.
Can we find the length of the boundary of this chessboard?
Yes, we can. Let me first measure the sides. It is 40 centimeters. It is 40 centimeters. It is 40 centimeters and 40 centimeters.
Ma'am, 160
Answer
centimeters.
is 160. Ma'am, 160. 160. Ma'am, 150.
Children,
Ma'am,
why you expect that I am going to ask the same question? Wait. My next question is why all the sides are same?
Ma'am,
because
it's a square.
Ma'am, it is a square.
Yes, because it's a square. So don't expect that ma'am will ask the same question. Wait for your turn and then give the answer. So what is the perimeter now?
160. 150.
150 nahi hoga, Manya, is 160.
160.
40 plus 40 is 80 and 80 plus 80 is 160.
Centimeters.
So all four sides are of the same length. It is 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40.
That's right, chick. But we can also do 4 times 40 which is equal to 160. So the length of the boundary of this chessboard is 160 centimeters.
Meenu, can I also do some? Will you draw some shapes for me? I will find
In my geometry box. this side is 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. Can you tell me the length of the boundary of this set square?
Yes, Meenu.
Ma'am, 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. It is very much compulsory for you to write the proper unit. If it is centimeter, write centimeter. If it is meter, write meter. If it is in inches, write inches. If it is feet, write feet. So because we do the measurement in different units. Whatever the unit is given to you, you have to write that proper unit.
No, I will try. It is 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So the length of the boundary is 12 centimeters.
Look, I will draw the shape of the school playground. It is like this. I have marked the length of the sides. Can you find out the length of the boundary?
It is 520.
No, Futta.
520.
The sides are too long. The numbers are too big.
Okay, Chick. I will do it for you. It is 150 plus 80 plus 40 plus 30 plus 110 plus 110. Let me add them up now. I will write it down
Ma'am, it's
in this notebook.
No,
Hundreds,
520.
tens,
520.
and one.
520.
Let her do the addition.
It is
Ones.
510.
Now,
Mascot,
plus 1 plus 1, which is 22. 2 here and carry forward 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. So,
520
it is 520. The length of the boundary of the school field is 520 meters.
Futta, can we find the length of the sides of Grand Mascot?
Yes, we can do that. Let us use this meter rope. This side is 2 meters. This is 1 meter, 2 meters, and 1 meter again.
Let me add this, Futta. The numbers are
Six
small.
6
Is 2
Meter.
plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 meters. So the length of the sides of Grand Mascot is 6 meters.
Chick, you are really getting smart. Let's play a game now. Look, I have a piece of green colored paper. I measured the sides. The length of each side is 5 centimeters. Chick, Can you tell the length of all the sides?
I
What is the
can.
perimeter?
20
It
centimeters.
is small
20
numbers.
20
It
centimeters.
is
20
5
centimeters.
plus
20
5 plus 5 plus 5. Oh, Futta said I can do 4 times 5. So it is 4 into 5, which is equal to 20. The length of the side.
So students, you have understood how to find the perimeter of the different shapes. Just adding the boundary, length of the boundary, and you will get the perimeter of that figure. Thank you, students. We will learn about perimeter in the next class. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.